Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we'll show you how to view zip files in Telegram. So let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device and look for the conversation or channel where you receive or send files. Tap on its name to open it. Next, find the zip file you want to view. If you don't see the files or have trouble finding them, simply tap on the chat or channel name at the top of the screen. Then, go to the Files section. You can see the files here. Open the zip file by tapping on its name. This action will prompt a new window. In this window, choose Extract at the bottom right side of the screen. Now you can view all the data contained in the zip file. And that's it. You have successfully viewed your zip file. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.